Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our new 2021 Mastercraft X24. This boat has the white hull, and then it has the accent of the blue metal flake, and then back to the white deck again. It has the blue metal flake swim deck. As you can see here, the back of the boat is equipped with a transom remote control to control your stereo and two cup holders. It does have the lounge seating with the footrest that can pop in or out. Right here is your towel and life jacket warmer. This boat is equipped with the advanced audio, so you got the two speakers up on the Z4 folding tower with the swivel wakeboard wake surfer racks clamping. You got the reverse flip couch seat, built-in cooler under this seat over here. It's got the Decadence flooring, rear view camera, GoPro mount, storage under all these flip seats over here, plenty of cup holders, speakers all around with the Clish sound system. The reverse facing seat that flips up and all underneath here is storage. Captain's chair here with the bolster. It's got the advanced audio with the dual screens, built-in phone charger right down there. The BTS windshield, flip up mirror. Through the bow here, it has the billet door you can close, shut off the air, built-in trash can, subwoofer, two front speakers up here and plenty of cup holders, flip down armrests, anchor holder, and both these seats flip up for storage underneath. Front bow cleat, throw the anchor off of to anchor the boat out, very handy. This boat is equipped with the 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower Ilmor engine. It has 4,300 pounds of ballast. Amazing surf wake behind this boat. Wakeboards also really well and rides really well. Just a great all-around boat, but fantastic surf wave. Come and check out this Mastercraft 2021 X24 at MarineMax in Greenville, or online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or call us at 864-236-9005. Thank you so much.